The greater rackettailed drongo is a medium-sized Asian bird which is distinctive in having elongated outer tail feathers with webbing restricted to the tips. They are placed along with other drongos in the family Dicuridae. These drongos will sometimes steal insect prey caught or disturbed by other foragers in the flock. And another idea is that vocal mimicry helps them in diverting the attention of smaller birds to aid their piracy. The jungle babbler is a common resident breeding bird in most parts of the Indian subcontinent and is often seen in gardens within large cities as well as in forested areas. The babbler usually forms small, tight flocks of 6 to 10 birds. Jungle babbler is a plain-looking babbler with a compact bill and conspicuous pale eyes. The weather soon became stormy. Sky is getting ready to rain.